guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my thoughts on few Dot & Key products. So I have 3 products from their exfoliating range, and before we begin I just want to brief you about chemical exfoliants, and if you know everything about them already you can just skip this part. I'll leave the timestamp in my description box below. So exfoliants are nothing but something which we use to get rid of dead skin cells on our skin. So there are 2 types of exfoliants. First one is a physical and second one is a chemical. So physical exfoliants are nothing but your scrubs, and scrubs can be abrasive on your skin, so you have to be very gentle, otherwise you will end up creating micro tears on your skin, which is not really good. Chemical exfoliants on the other hand are just acids which chemically removes your dead skin cells. So what they basically do is they break the bond between your new skin and your dead skin, so they just chemically get rid of that buildup of your dead skin, so you don't have to physically exfoliate your face. So that's why chemical exfoliants are really good. So chemical exfoliants really help with lot of common skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin texture, uneven skin tone, blemishes, acne issues. Did I say that already? It increases the collagen production in your skin. It also helps with sun damage, and there are a lot of benefits of using chemical exfoliants. And I know after listening to all of this it sounds like it is the solution to all of your skin concerns, but there are some rules to use chemically active products. So as we proceed in this video I will explain what you should do and what you shouldn't do when you're using chemically active ingredients like AHAs and BHAs in your skincare routine. So chemical exfoliants are nothing but AHAs and BHAs. So AHA is an alpha hydroxy acid and BHA is a beta hydroxy acid. So both of them are used to get rid of your dead skin cells chemically. So here I have 3 products from Dot & Key which will chemically exfoliate your skin. So the first product that I have here from Dot & Key is their 5% AHA toner, and this is what a toner looks like. It comes in a plastic bottle and it has a spray nozzle on top. So it is a AHA toner, so it means it contains alpha hydroxy acid, and the AHAs that this product contains is lactic acid and glycolic acid. Lactic acid being the first and glycolic acid is the second AHA that is used in this product. You should never use chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs around your eye area, because your eye area is very thin compared to all of your skin, so it is not really good to use chemical exfoliants around your eyes. So make sure that you cover your eyes before spritzing this on your face. And the spray quality is actually quite good, but what I generally like to do is I just take it on my palm and then I just rub it in between and then just dab it on my skin. I feel like this applies the toner more evenly to my skin rather than just spritzing it on my face. So that's what I like to do. Even with all of my rose water and stuff, I do the same thing. I just spray it on my palm because I feel like it's more convenient and I feel like it applies more evenly. So as we were talking, the concentration of AHA in this product is 5%, which is lowest out of all the products that I have here. So this is really good for someone who is just starting out with chemical exfoliants. But remember that if you are starting with chemical exfoliants, start slow. Do a patch test first and just take it really slow. Like never go for a chemical exfoliant which has higher concentration if you are just a beginner. Don't do that. I have done that and it broke me out terribly. So even if you are starting out with a chemical exfoliant which is really mild, still use it once a week only for like 2 to 3 weeks, and once your skin gets used to it then you can try using it twice a week, then you can like increase it to thrice a week, and once your skin feels more used to it then you can move on to products which are more concentrated. And honestly I feel like this is a great product. Like the ingredients and everything is also really good, and it does contain fragrance, but it is like the third last ingredient on the ingredient list, and I am not really sensitive to fragrance, so it did not irritate me at all. So it is not a deal breaker for me, and I don't feel like there is anything bad I have to say about this product. I like it and it's really good. And honestly guys, these are my honest opinions. This is not a sponsored video. I just tried these products out and I felt like these are amazing and I had to share it with you. The product that I have here is the newly launched AHA exfoliating sleeping mask. This is what the outer packaging looks like, and it contains 12% lactic acid and 2% hyaluronic acid. So this mask will repair your skin overnight, like it will exfoliate your skin overnight, and it also contains 2% hyaluronic acid, so it will also hydrate your skin. And the AHA that they have used in this mask is lactic acid. They haven't used glycolic acid in this. So this mask contains 12% lactic acid, and lactic acid gives the same benefit as glycolic acid, but the only thing is that the molecular size of lactic acid is quite large than glycolic acid. So glycolic acid has smaller molecular size, so it penetrates deep into your skin. On the other hand, lactic acid works on the top layer of your skin, which makes it very ideal for people with sensitive skin. And this product contains 12% lactic acid, making it quite potent, so it is not really ideal for people who are just starting out. If your skin is used to AHAs and BHAs, then you can definitely check out this product. And I really like the texture of this sleeping mask. It also really feels nice and hydrating on my skin, and it has a very fresh smell. It should be used as a last step in your skincare routine, and it does contain fragrance, but Dot & Key claims that the fragrance percentage is less than 0.1% and it is non-irritating, and honestly it did not irritate my skin at all. And this has to be my favorite product out of all of the products I'm talking about today, because I have a story here. So recently I went to my new house, which is like 2 hours away from Goa, and it was really hot over there, and I don't know what happened. I developed some kind of rashes on my body, and I also developed like small tiny skin like bumps on my face. I don't think it was caesura, because I have had caesura. It was a little bit different. I don't really know what it was, but my skin started looking dull and my skin was very uneven because of those bumps. And they were skin like they were not really visible if you are looking at me from a distance, but if you would come up close, the bumps were quite visible. On the second night I applied this mask, because I didn't bring any of the skincare product apart from these three, because I was testing out these three products. So I applied this mask on that night, and the next morning, guys, my skin was so smooth. I was so stunned. Like the bumps weren't completely gone, but they were like 50% gone. And the next day, I didn't even apply it on the next day, okay? So I just applied it once, and on the second day of application, my bumps were completely gone and my skin was looking very radiant. I don't know what it did, and I don't even know what kind of reaction I had or what kind of bumps they were, but it just made them go away, and I was so impressed by this product. And I just love this. I just love this, and I would highly recommend you to try it out. But just don't try it out if you're a beginner. And I think this product will be really great for people with sensitive skin, because lactic acid is quite mild than glycolic acid, so I think it will be great for people with sensitive skin. I use it 3 times a week and it does not break me out, so you can use it up to 3 times a week. And it contains 2% hyaluronic acid, which is the humectant, making it perfect for people with dry skin. And the last product that I have here is one of the most hyped product. It is their Hydro Peel Glow Potion, containing 10% AHA and 2% BHA, and this is what it looks like. Guys, please let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging, because it is so cute. Like, it opens like a notebook and you have this information right here, and it is really cute. Not only the box, even the inner bottle is very cute. So this is a box packaging and this is plastic. And what I really like about this peel is that the bottle is pink and the peel inside is blue, so it really looks very cute. And the quality of the dropper and everything is also really good. Like, this is what the dropper looks like, and the texture of it is gel like, and you just need like 2 drops of this product. I generally apply only 2 drops. Dot & Key recommends applying 2 to 3 drops on your face and on your neck as well. So this is what 3 drops of this product looks like. You should not use more than this. So it has a gel-like texture. Remember that this is not a serum, but it is a peel, and you have to wash it off after like 10 minutes. Honestly, this is also one of my favorite products. You can clearly see how much I have used, and as I told you, you just need 2 to 3 drops. That clearly indicates that I have used it quite a lot. So I really like this product, and it contains 10% AHA and 2% BHA. So the AHA that it has is glycolic acid and lactic acid, and the BHA that it has is salicylic acid. So the BHA in this product makes it different from all of the products, because everything else only contains AHA, and this one also contains 2% BHA. If you don't know the difference between AHA and BHA, AHA works on top level and BHA penetrates deep into your skin, and it is oil soluble, so it really helps with excess sebum production as well, and it also helps with your pores, and it also helps with a lot of different things. This is quite potent product, so I use it once a week. At max I end up using it twice a week, not more than that. It definitely takes time to show the results when it comes to pigmentation and stuff like that, but other than that you will definitely feel the difference in your skin. Your skin will feel way smoother, your foundation will go on smoother because your skin will be texture free, and not only that, there will be a glow on your skin because your new skin cells will be peeking through, and you will feel your skin different. Also remember that you should not use different chemical exfoliates at the same time. So when I was trying this out, I was giving 1 week to one product and I did not mix any of the three. That's when I noted down what I think about these products. So make sure that you don't mix chemical exfoliants. I do not hate anything in these products. They contain fragrance but they do not irritate my skin, and the concentration is quite low, so I do not really mind that. So all in all, I love all of the three products. So yeah, I really hope this Chota review will help you to make your decision, and I do recommend all of these products to you. So yeah, that completes this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And also take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.